Wood is most beautiful gifts from nature. We use wood to make many things like tables, chairs, shelves, cabinets, and home decorations. Wooden furniture is strong, useful, and beautiful. It gives every home a warm and peaceful feeling, and even a small wooden decoration can make a room look more cozy and stylish. That is why many people love wood crafts and wooden home decor. Sometimes we have trees and plants around our homes. When we cut the dry branches, we often throw them away, and but those small branches can become beautiful craft pieces. First, clean the wood and let it dry well. Then you can paint it, wrap it with jute rope, or decoration with flowers, leaves, or lights. So, friends, woodcrafts are easy to make and you don't need expensive materials. You only need simple ideas and a little creativity. Every piece of has a different shape, so every craft becomes special. You can make decorations for your living room, bedroom, kitchen, garden, or even for Christmas. Handmade wooden crafts also make beautiful gifts because they are made with love and care. And it's a very amazing and outstanding different wooden craft ideas. Wood has been used for centuries to create strong furniture, beautiful homes, lovely decorations, and meaningful handmade gifts. Decorations and unlike plastic, wood has its own natural texture, colors, and characters. Every piece is different, making every craft unique. That is why wooden decoration always feels special and never go out of style. Sometimes we have trees, plants, or bushes around our homes, and after trimming them, we often throw away these small branches and sticks. But those little pieces can become amazing crafts materials. Instead of wasting them, we can clean them, dry them, and turn into creative decoration that look expensive but cost almost nothing. A simple wooden branches can become a rustic wall hanging, a candle holder, a photo frame, a small shelf, or even a beautiful Christmas decoration. With a little rope, glue paint, or natural leaves, you can create something that looks elegant and handmade. Every project tells a story because it is made with our own hand. Wood crafts make a home feel warm and welcoming. They add a natural touch that cannot be replaced by factory made decorations. Whether your home is modern farmhouse, vintage, or cozy, wooden decorations fit perfectly. Their simple beauty makes every room feel peaceful and inviting. One of the most thing about wood crafts is that are eco-friendly. Instead of buying new decorations every season, you can reuse fallen branches and old pieces of wood. This helps reduce waste while giving nature another purpose. Small ideas like this can make a big difference for our environment. You don't need to be a professional artist to enjoy wood crafts. Even beginners can create beautiful pieces with simple tools. Start with easy ideas like wooden coasters, tiny houses, plant stands, name signs, or decorative trays. Every finished project teaches you something new and builds your confidence. Wood also works beautifully with many other natural materials. You can combine it with jute rope, pine cones, dried flowers, cotton moss, burlap, or small stones. Together, this material creates soft, cozy, and aesthetic decorations that bring the beautiful of natural inside your home. The most wonderful part of wood crafting is that every piece is one of kind. No two branches are exactly the same. Their natural curves, pattern, and texture make every decoration unique. Even if two people follow the same idea, their final creation will always look different and special. Remember, friends, wood crafts are not only about decoration a house, they are about slowing down, enjoying the creative process, and making something meaningful with your own hands. Every small branches has the potential to become a beautiful masterpiece. All it needs is a little patience, a little creativity, and a heart that loves handmade beautiful. So hope you like all wooden crafts and Christmas craft ideas. So one by one, stylish, beautiful, amazing, trending Christmas home decoration ideas and wooden craft ideas and cozy crafts ideas. And please subscribe my channel and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, which crafts ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much. Bye.